Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday evening, the 25th of January. I'm James Spann. Wet weather returns to the state tomorrow. That rain should begin late tonight. Colder Wednesday, but warmer late this week, so it's a roller coaster ride. Here we go. Let's check it out. This is the water vapor satellite view this afternoon. You can see that nice trough across the central U.S. That's going to pull down a storm system that will bring wet weather back in here. But today, not bad at all. In fact, you can see that for places like Birmingham and Huntsville, Tuscaloosa, pretty decent amount of sun. Clouds have increased to the south and west. And temperatures, look at those 60s on the board. Feels pretty good today. Birmingham 61, Tuscaloosa 63, Anniston 60. We'll be in the 50s tomorrow with rain falling. Then on Wednesday, highs drop back in the 40s, but a good chance we see those 60s again about the time the weekend gets here. Around the nation, colder air lurking to the north and west. And again, once this system passes on Wednesday, we'll start to feel that dropping southward. There's the watch warning map today. We have winter weather advisories up north for parts of the upper Midwest for a bit of light wintry precipitation there, but no major storms, nothing like the big blizzard we had over the weekend. Convective outlook tomorrow. We could see some thunder across South Alabama, no severe weather expected. Then on day 3, Wednesday, a marginal severe weather risk over South Florida, south of Interstate 4, or south of a line from Tampa Bay to Orlando to Daytona Beach. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening, amounts between 1 and 2 inches for most of the state. And again, the bulk of that will be tomorrow and tomorrow night. Here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon at 500 millibars. You can see troughing to the west, down below that, a surface front nosing in here. It's going to be a cloudy day with rain likely. That rain should be widespread by afternoon. And again, we stay in the 50s all day. Wednesday, the front slowly pushes southward, evidence of a wave forming on the front. So if you are south and east of Birmingham, the rain could continue for you a pretty decent part of the day Wednesday, but north of Birmingham, the day will be cloudy and colder. Now, the one thing we'll have to watch, this is early Wednesday morning, 6 o'clock off the NAM, and what's a close call for a little winter weather mischief over the Tennessee Valley. The blue line, that's the 32-degree line, and you can see the precipitation just south of that. But let me show you the buff kit data, and we've seen evidence up at Huntsville that there might be a little wintry mix-up in the Tennessee Valley. In fact, one run spit out 1 inch of snow there, most of them spitting out under a quarter inch, but I think for our friends in Huntsville and the Shoals and Scottsboro, there needs to be some mention of that possibility. I don't think this is a high-impact event because it's going to rain all day tomorrow. The infrastructure will be warm. But just be aware, if you are in extreme North Alabama, there could be a bit of a wintry mix to start the day Wednesday. I don't think we have that issue as far south as Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, or Gadsden, but needless to say, something we'll watch. Thursday, a nice surge of dry air works in here. We start the day in the 20s. The high should be in the low 50s. Friday, we warm up nicely. Upper 50s a good possibility, and Saturday will be gorgeous. The GFS is printing a high of 64 for Birmingham. Wow. That'll feel good. We start the day in the upper 30s, but we warm up quickly, and Sunday looks good. Again, you might mention a slight chance of a shower of moisture starting to increase, but for now I think we'll leave it out. We'll call it partly sunny. And again, mid-60s a good possibility. This is a week from today, Monday the 1st of February, troughing in the west, very cold, unsettled there. And for us, a chance of showers, and we stay mild. In fact, the GFS is showing 67 for Birmingham. Wow. This is the end of the forecast period, Thursday of next week, the 4th. Trough axis just to the west, colder air beginning to drop in here. That'll knock those numbers down a little bit toward the end of next week. Arctic oscillation stays positive for a while, as does the NAO, and that should keep the really, really cold air out of here for a while. But I understand we've got a ways to go this winter. We all know some of the biggest snows in the state have occurred in February and March. And temperatures for the next 15 days off the GEFS ensemble. You can see that warmth spike over the weekend and early next week. And then we cool down again by about the middle part of next week, but nothing too extremely cold for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.